Cessna Citation CJ4 truly is one of the ultimate single-pilot light jet options that offers excellent performance, range, and speed. The aircraft is capable of a maximum range of 2,165 nautical miles and speeds up to 451 knots. Short airstrips are not a problem for this machine. The CJ4 can accommodate up to 10 occupants. Deep cushioned wide leather seats articulate in 3 directions and fully recline for longer trips. Individual climate control allows separate temperature control zones for the cockpit and cabin. The Rockwell Collins Venue Cabin Management System offers high-definition digital video and audio. With a 1,040-pound baggage capacity, abundant storage is available. Passengers will appreciate the trailing link landing gear design, which provides rugged comfort for soft landings and smooth taxiing. The CJ4 is equipped with several large jet features, which include electrically heated windscreens, single-point refueling system, and externally serviceable lavatory. The pilot-friendly flight deck features next-gen capable Collins ProLine 21 avionics that reduce pilot workload and enhance safety. If you would like to learn more about the Cessna Citation CJ4 or would be interested in obtaining a detailed market briefing on the CJ4, please contact Holstein Aviation.